Dear colleagues, I will have the privilege and pleasure to join you in Sweden next year on October 11 and 12 for the Swedish Academy Cosmetic Dentistry annual meeting. I have been asked to cover and discuss two topics. First one is toothwear. I will be presenting conservative biomechanically oriented treatment approach using new strategies, especially interceptive treatment, to avoid progression of toothwear using ultraconservative no prep technique. We started many years ago. You see here a case which I treated in 1994, so more than 20 years ago. Experience using multiple procedures and materials to a combination of partial ceramic for the upper arch and direct composite restoration for the lower teeth. More than 20 years follow-up on those treatments, and of course we'll update those principles. Here you see a different treatment approach for less severe treatment of toothwear using a direct approach, here wax-up driven, with visual transfer of the wax-up information, creating much better tooth anatomy and function, and at the same time covering worn tooth surfaces, eliminating tooth hypersensitivity and protecting surfaces. We'll have also a hands-on session. You see here one example of the multiple techniques which we use with full molding using a palatal build-up of worn upper anterior teeth. Second topic will be about posterior restoration treatment using adhesive. Course objective and value will be about scientific and conceptual background, also developing very strong clinical skills. Here as well, we have long-term experience with those techniques. This is the book which we published in 1997. Some cases published in the book 21 years ago. You see the follow-up for direct and symmetrical using composite and ceramics. Here another case which was published for a catalog of Coltin Weldent with 16 years follow-up of 3 medium-large direct composite restorations. Those techniques, if we apply them in a... You see here another case after 32 years, direct small direct composite restorations. It's a matter of choosing the right composite, the right clinical protocol in order to functional results, but also long-term survival of those restorations. We'll have also hands-on part for this type of restorations. Here you see different restorations on the models, composite onless on the molar after cementation and the premolar before cementation. We might try also some direct techniques. Very much look forward to meet you all in Sweden next year. Get ready for this fantastic event. Bye bye and see you soon.